guys, it's Dorothy. Okay, let's talk foundation. Well, you know as well as I do, foundation is so hard to find the right formula, the right color. You change colors and it just it's like bra shopping or jeans shopping. It is like so hard to do. But I'm going to help simplify it for you. There's a few things you want to do when looking for a foundation. First, don't worry about color matching. Did I just say that? I totally just said that. So you don't necessarily want to do color matching first. You want to find the right formula that works for you. So what I mean by that is what looks best on your skin? What makes your skin look its best? What is the best for your age? Does it give you full coverage? Do you want full coverage? Do you want to be able to see your skin through it? What formula do you want? And then we worry about the skincare. A lot of people think they want like full coverage, and they don't need full coverage because they don't understand what full coverage is. So we need to understand, what do we want our skin to look like? How much maintenance do you want to do with it? Some foundations require touch-ups. Some need maintenance. Some you trade off certain things for longevity. So what is it that you want your foundation to do? Do you want it to last all day? Do you want it to be matte, which means there's no reflection in it? Do you want it to have a little bit of a glow to it? Do you want it to be full coverage and cover everything? Or do you want it to look a little more natural, like skin? So ask yourself, what is it that you want out of your foundation, and look for that formula. After you find the formula that you like the best, then you can match the color. Because coloring is fickle. You know, we go out into the sun and we get warmer and darker and lighter. And then, you know, in the summertime, we're 3 or 4 shades darker. In the wintertime, we're all kind of porcelain and ghostly, if that's what you want to call it, but we're lighter in the wintertime because we don't get as much sun. So color matching is secondary to finding a formula that works best with your body chemistry and for what you're looking for. So that's what I would tell you to do, is go find the formula, and Ulta and Sephora and all of your favorite makeup stores will give you samples of the formulas for you to try. So then you can find out, do I like this formula? Does it look great on me? Can I wear it for a week and still love it? And remember, you already have the beauty you need right inside.